Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the fan shroud, loosen the 2 screws on the side cover and slide the cover off the system. Unlatch the front bezel. Identify and unlatch the fan shroud to remove it from the system. To reinstall the fan shroud, relatch it to the system. Relatch the front bezel and secure the side cover by tightening the 2 screws. For more information about your DELL system, visit dell.com/support.